Have you ever imagined stepping into a world where the boundaries of reality blur and you can be anyone, do anything? Welcome to the Metaverse. It's not just a buzzword. It's a digital universe where virtual and augmented realities collide. Picture this: a vast, interconnected space where you can socialize, work, play, and even shop, all through avatars that represent you. Think of it as the internet come to life, but instead of scrolling through a screen, you're fully immersed in experiences. From attending concerts with friends across the globe, to collaborating on projects in virtual offices, the Metaverse offers endless possibilities. Major companies are investing heavily in this concept, envisioning a future where our physical and digital lives intertwine seamlessly. So, whether you're a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, the Metaverse is shaping up to be the next big thing. Are you ready to dive in?